Hello everyone. Welcome to Arduino and My Robot. This is chapter 15, project 1. And overall we have done 7 project and this is 8th project. And in this project we'll be developing a safety device using LDR. So this is a schematic which you can see here we have 3 components. One is LDR, which is connected with a resistor that will control the amount of current going inside the LDR component. And other one is the piezo or the buzzer. So as soon as the intensity of light goes beyond certain value, we will automatically initiate or that will automatically trigger the alarm system. So let's go directly to Tinkercad. So here you see this is our buzzer. One end of the buzzer is connected to ground terminal and the other end is connected with digital pin 6. So this is also a PWM pin. Now let's go back to our sensor. That is our light sensor here, LDR. So one end is connected to the blue wire, you connect it to A0, and the red wire you see it's the input current or input voltage that is supplying the power to it. It's coded in red color, and this resistor is connected with our LDR to manipulate the amount of current going inside the LDR system. So one end is connected to LDR and other end is going directly to the ground terminal. You can follow the pink line. Now let's go to the coding part. So here pin mode A0, that is for LDR, that will be serving as an output for LDR. Then pin mode 6, that will be serving as an output for our buzzer. And serial begin 960. This code is just to print the value of our intensity, okay, LDR. So in the loop section, we have made a variable called LDR. In that, we'll be reading the amount of intensity that is getting recorded in A0 pin from analog read command, and then we'll print the LDR value, what kind of intensity we are supplying here. So here we'll get a circuit that from dragging up and down, we'll exactly see how much of intensity we are allowing on this, and whatever intensity that is being allowed will go to A0, and further from A0 it is going to get stored into LDR. Now we will check if LDR value is greater than 50. So this value you can check by the signal. I'll show you how. And according to that, you can code. So if it is going beyond 50, I'm turning my buzzer on. Digital write 6, high means turn on, and turning on the pin number 6. And I'm writing digital write because you see this is a digital pin. Okay. And these pins are analog pin. That's why I have written analog read. And if I had to write something, I would write analog write. So, but here this is analog read. Okay. Now you see if it is greater than 50, intensity is greater than 50, then we'll turn on the buzzer. Otherwise, we'll keep the buzzer off. Now I'll start the simulation. Now you see that in serial monitor, there is, let me clear it for you again. Okay. Now you see it has shown me 0 value. Now if you hover over this LDR and right click or left click, you can see this bar, okay, and it is showing me downward arrow, and in this side there is a sun. That shows if we drag it down, the intensity goes on increasing. You see from 0 it is going to increase 7. Now if I drag more, it is 12, 14, 19. As soon as this intensity, whatever this value is, suppose right now it's 35. Now 35 is going from this red wire, sorry, from this blue wire, it is going to A0, and this A0 value is getting read by this line here, analog read. This line is going to read this value, okay? Now it is going to be stored in this LDR variable, integer type variable. Now we are comparing here. See, now we are printing here, it is getting displayed here. Now we are comparing if the LDR value is greater than 50. Now it is 35, less than 50, that is else part. It is not 50 or greater than 50. That's why this is low, buzzer is off. But as soon as the LDR value goes above 50, we will see a buzzer symbol that it is getting activated. Now let's slowly drag it down. Now it's 43, 46. Now you see carefully, it is exactly 50, right? Even at 50, because we have used greater than 50. So it will not work at 50 also. That means if the intensity is above 50, only then the buzzer will start. You see carefully, you can see here white marks that will show that our buzzer is working. So this is how we'll be using our LDR project. You can similarly connect an LED light here instead of connecting the buzzer. So what will happen as soon as your Arduino board or the circuit is getting some sunlight, you can decide the number, whether it is 50 or what, depending upon the intensity. You can first print this intensity at what time, what kind of intensity you are getting. In the daytime, you can print it and you can check what kind of light it is in the daytime. And on the basis of that number, you can decide when to turn on or turn off your uh, this morning light or the lamp light or garden lights. Okay. So this was all about the project, and here is the code for you. And thank you so much.